Hello and welcome. Are you still confused about trigonometry equations? Well, get ready because today I'm going to show you the simple method to master it for good. Now here we have a trigonometric equation from A-level exam in 2024. Please look at the question. The question is 3 times tangent 2 theta plus tangent theta plus 45 equal 4 theta between 0 to 180 degrees. First, we need to simplify this equation. The entire expression must be contain one of the sine, cosine, or tangent functions. Then we use the following two trigonometric relations. First one is tangent theta equal to tangent theta 1 minus tangent square theta, and for it tangent theta plus 45 equal tangent theta plus tangent 45 1 minus tangent theta times tangent 45. Tangent 45 equal 1. Then we have tangent theta plus 1 1 minus tangent theta. By substituting these relations into the equation, so we get 3 times fraction 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent 2 theta plus second fraction tangent theta plus 1 1 minus tangent theta equal 4. Now let's attempt to express the left hand side in terms of tangent theta as a single function. Then we use the technique of finding a common denominator. Multiply the numerator and denominator of the second fraction by 1 plus tangent. Then we have 6 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent 2 theta plus 1 plus tangent theta over 1 minus tangent theta times 1 plus tangent theta 1 plus tangent theta equal 4. 1 minus tangent theta times 1 plus tangent theta equal 1 minus tangent 2 theta, and 1 plus tangent theta times 1 plus tangent theta equal 1 plus tangent square theta plus 2 tangent theta. By substitute this relation, then we have 6 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta plus 1 plus tangent square theta plus 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta equal 4. Now, by adding the two fractions, then we have 1 minus tangent square theta over tangent square theta plus 8 tangent theta plus 1 equal 4. To eliminate the denominator, we multiply the terms by 1 minus tangent square theta. Then we have tangent square theta plus 8 tangent theta plus 1 equal 4 times 1 minus tangent square theta. By multiplying 4 over 1 and tangent square theta and move the left hand side of equation, then we have 5 tangent square theta plus 8 tangent theta minus 3 equals 0. By using a change of variable, a quadratic equation is obtained as tangent theta change to t. Then we have 5t2 plus 8t minus 3 equals 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation by using the general formula. A is 5, B is 8, and C is minus 3. Then delta equal B2 minus 4AC, delta equal 8 power 2 minus 4 times 5 times minus 3 equal 124. Then roots are t equal minus b plus minus radical delta over 2a equal minus 8 plus minus radical 124 over 2 times 5. By simplify, t equal minus 4 plus minus radical 31 over 5. And by calculate these numbers, roots are t1 and t2. t1 equal 0.340 and t2 equal minus 1.940. By using and return the variable t change to tangent theta, then we have tangent theta equal 0.314, tangent theta equal minus 1.4914. By using a calculator and use inverse tangent theta, then we have tangent theta equal tangent 70.4 and tangent theta for this one equal tangent minus 62.4. These new equations are simple tangent equation. Then we have a set of solutions for each case. For first equation, theta equal Kp plus 74, 17.4, and for second equation, theta equal kp plus minus 62.4. K equals 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and others integer numbers. For first set of answers, we have k equal 0, k equal 1, k equal minus 1. K equals 0 for this relation, theta equal 40.4. Then this answer is valid because it is within the range theta between 0 and 180 degrees. And k equal 1, theta obtained by 197.4, and it isn't valid because not within the range. And k equal minus 1, theta equal minus 162.6, and this answer is not valid. For k equal 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, and other integer numbers, the value of theta doesn't fall within the range. Then this answer is valid. For second set of answers, we have k equals 0, k equals 1, k equals minus 1. Add this relation, theta equals minus 62 for 5. This answer is not valid. K equals 1, theta is 170.17.4 is valid, and k equals minus 1, theta is minus 242, and this answer is not valid. And for k equal 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, and other integer numbers, the value of theta for these answers is not valid because it doesn't fall within the range. So the final answer are 17.4 and 117.6. Good job. We broke down trigonometric equation into 10 minutes. Let me know in the comments below and subscribe here for more educational content. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.